The next thing is to go to the plus page button. Now to get to the plus page button, remember we're in the edit page mode right now. We click the save button. And that'll bring us back to this menu and across the top here. So we did the edit page. Now we're going to look at the create page button, or what I call the plus page button because it's got that little plus right in the middle of the little page there. Okay, so you click on the plus page button and that brings in this menu, and this looks a lot like when you're signing up for your website. But remember, for this one, you can name it whatever you want to name it as long as you don't have two of the same on your page. So, more than one student can use academics, more than one student can use employment. If these are all names of pages on your website within your web address. And so if I create an academics page, then I'm going to have to select, and I talked about this in class, there's different types of web pages. 99% of the time I select web page, but if you want to try one of these other ones, you can. I showed you a little bit about the file cabinet earlier, which is really the other one that I've used, but I would select web page most of the time. And then as far as location, you can put that page at the top level or you can put it under your home page. I would recommend putting it under your home page, but if you have a reason for putting it at the top level in terms of your organization, that's fine. I will not grade you down for that as long as you have logical reasons for organizing your pages the way you do. And then we're going to create that page. So that's your academics page now. And you can see over here we're on the academics page and you can see it's under home. So that's what that looks like. I can change my menu there, and I'll talk more about changing the menu later. We haven't quite gotten there yet. And so I'm going to go ahead and save that because I want to get back to the plus page button again. And on the plus page button, I'm going to create an employment page. I'm going to keep it a web page, and again, I'm going to instead of putting it under these, I want to choose a different location. I made a mistake, and it looks like I was setting it up to either put it under academics or under top level, and I don't want to do either of those. So I want to put it under home page again, so I want it on the same level as the academics page. And so notice I pick this drop down menu and I selected choose a different location under home. So put under home page, and I'm going to create that. So now you can see that I have home page, and underneath it I have an academics page and an employment page. Okay, and the reason why this one is hyperlinked and this one is not is because the academics page, I'm not on that page right now. I am on the employment page, so I can't click on the employment page to go to it because I'm already there. I would have to click on the academics to go over to the academics, so you can do that. Okay, and so that takes me back here to the menu. I can do another plus page, and on and on and on. Okay, do as many as I want to do, as long as I have enough storage space to do it, and you have plenty of storage space on your account. So let's do one more here. Let's do, I'll call it HS highlights, or high school highlights. And it says at top level or under academics again. I'm going to switch that to under home again because I want it on the same level as my academics and employment. And I'm going to create that. So academics, employment, high school highlights. Okay. Save that. And so you can basically see how you create your hierarchy. And if you say, for example, you wanted an English page and a math page or something, you could, underneath math academics, you could create more hierarchy and have more about that. Let's say under here, under employment, you wanted like an intro page on employment, and then you wanted one with your employment documents and one with your, well, pictures from the jobs that you've had or something like that. So you can create hierarchy within your menu here. Okay? And under the gear menu, I can show you how to change that hierarchy once you've created it. Here in a few minutes, I'll show you that. So that's basically all the features of the plus page button, or at least the important ones. And so I'll go on to the gear menu next.